More and more iPhones are now only using eSIM, meaning there's no physical SIM card at all, and you'll transfer your phone number from one phone to another fully through the software. But, depending on your phone model and region, there are still many phones that use physical SIM cards. To remove a SIM card, you'll first locate the SIM tray, which looks like this. It's similar to a lot of other buttons and toggles on your phone, but the SIM tray will have a small push hole in it that's used to release the tray. You can use a paperclip or a SIM tool like I have here. A lot of phones come with one, but honestly, anything that's small and strong will work. You'll push the tool into the hole, and you'll have to apply a decent amount of force. The tray will pop up, not all the way, but just enough that you can put your tool down and pull the tray out with your fingers. And there's your SIM card. These things are tiny, so hand it with care and don't lose it if you need to move it to another phone. If you're putting another card to your iPhone, you'll just follow the same steps reversed. One of the corners of the card has a 45-degree cutout, so you'll just align that with the similar cutout you'll see on the SIM tray. Then, slide the tray back in the phone, make sure the push hole on the tray aligns with the hole on the phone, and you're all set. Usually, your phone will recognize the SIM card automatically, but if it doesn't, give your phone a restart and you'll be all set. And that's how you remove SIM cards. Thanks for watching. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick iPhone guides like this.